Hey, if you want to make money online, you're in the right place. But before we dive into today's method, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the newest ways to earn from home. And, I'm curious, drop a comment below with your country so I can craft videos just for your region. Alright, let's get into it. Today I'm talking about Rewards XXL, a super simple way to make $5 or more fast. No experience needed, and yes, you can do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is your phone or computer. So, what is Rewards XXL? It's a legit get paid to site, or GPT for short. That means you get rewarded for completing simple online tasks. I'm talking about stuff like answering surveys, playing mobile games, and more. If you're looking for a side hustle that's flexible, this one's worth checking out. Here's how it works. First, head over to the Rewards XXL website. If you're on your phone, just scan the QR code and you'll get their app right away. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of ways to earn. The main way, paid surveys. These are quick, easy, and pretty much always available. Just pick one, answer honestly, and rack up those points, but that's not all. Rewards XXL also rewards you just for being active. Check in regularly, and you'll collect bonus points. Super simple, right? Another great way to earn is through tasks. When you log into your dashboard, click on the tasks link to see all the available offers. These could be anything from trying out a new app to playing a mobile game. Finish the task, grab your points, and move on to the next. Now, if you want to earn even more, don't skip the referral program. Just share your unique link with friends or on social media. When someone signs up and starts earning, you get a slice of the rewards, passive income at its finest. Once you've built up your points, you can redeem them for a variety of gift cards or straight-up PayPal cash. The best part? The payout threshold is just $5. As soon as you hit that, you can request a payout, and Rewards XXL will process it within 24 to 72 hours. So, to sum it up, Rewards XXL is a worldwide site, it's free to join, and it's a super easy way to earn some extra cash on the side. Let me know in the comments what you think about Rewards XXL, or if you've tried any similar sites. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a way to make money online. See you in the next one.